What's up guys, it's your girl Tam and I'm back for another video. Today I'm heading to Gambian Festival. Literally just leaving, gonna meet some of my cousins. Mini road trip, because it's about an hour away. Oh yeah, just in case I don't mention this, I put the Gambian flag on my eyes. Here, it's looking black, but it's meant to be blue. Let me try a little thing. Drew said I'd do it with the Jamaican flag, I thought I'd do it with the Gambian. It's actually quite hot today. My friend Tyrone was saying it's gonna be hot, but I was like, nah, it's not gonna be hot. Let's see what temperature my car is saying. 27. Last year, it was a madness getting up there because traffic, there's carny going on. Same weekend as Carnival. Today's Sunday. Happy Sunday, y'all. Sunday, I think the 24th of August. Anyway. This is my song right now. Right, let me blaze my bashment because when I get the kids, I'm gonna put on some R&B and children-friendly music. We just got here. It took me forever. I think it took me about an hour and a half, which is ridiculous. There was so many road closures. I'm starting to think it makes more sense going by train. If not, I just need to leave earlier. This is ping money.
It's ping money. We're a Gambian-owned startup, owned by myself and my wife.
Wow.
So, yeah.
Okay. Nice. Okay. Thank you. Last year I came here and I didn't walk around. I didn't explore. We all look the same. Like I can see the resemblance. It's so nice to be in a place that is just same culture. And like perfume's good. It smells really nice. Oh, they're doing henna as well. So then they've got like an arts and crafts store. We've got a park, ice cream van. I think they have 2 ice cream vans, yeah. The layout every year seems like it's more or less the same. You can see there's some more stuff like straight ahead, so I'll go and have a look at that. The queue for one of these stores, that's more or less it. This is too frozen. This is too frozen for me. Okay, look how dark it is. I finished eating now. This look was super cute though. I really want to go carny. No one wants to go carny.